Hi, I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf. Welcome to What's in My Toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. And in this instalment we have this Rolson wire brush set. It's 20 pieces, so starting off we have a screwdriver with a quick release handle. A screwdriver handle, so I say, with a quick release handle, an extension again with another quick release. And then we have 3 sets of different brushes, so we have steel, nylon and brass, and they range from 6, 9, 13, 16, 19 and 25mm brushes. The screwdriver they come with, or handle should I say they come with, can also be used for screws. They come with these 1/4 inch hex shaft and they clip in like that, and they have a nice secure fitting so you can't fall off when you're scrubbing with them. Also, you can make it easy to spin them when you're inside a hole if you really need to get in the holes. You can also put these onto an electric drill or driver. I'll show you that in just a bit. The extension is also quite handy. Again, it adds about 150mm of length, so it's fairly long. And then you can pop an end on it. So if you need, like, trying to reach something that's a bit further away and you can't quite get close enough to it, perfect. I used the similar setup with the nylon brushes when I was cleaning out an injector hole before. So as I previously mentioned, you can use these with electric tools as well. So here's my little McAllister electric screwdriver. And you can simply pop these in here, and then so if you need to clean something when you don't want to use the handle that's included, this one here, so say like you're doing a lot of cleaning, you clip on onto something like this and clean holes and stuff like that. Or you can also, if you need a bit more power, bear with me 2 seconds, sorry about that, put them onto an electric drill, and then that'll give you even more power for cleaning stuff. So my final thoughts on this set, it's quite handy. Like I said, I've used it on injectors. I've also used it on brake calipers to clean out the caliper bearing slide pin hole. Works quite well for that. So you just pop in and spin it around, perfect for that. Overall, very handy little set. The only downside is you can't buy replacement brushes, so you have to buy a whole new set when you wear the brushes out, which isn't ideal. But apart from that, it's a good set. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.